Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the direction of your GIF on the Momento application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, select the picture you would like to edit. Then tap on the direction button down below, which is the fifth option. Here you can select from three options: bounce, loop, and reverse. So just tap on the relevant one you would like to try out. Feel free to apply all of these and check out which one looks better and which one suits your preferences the most. And after making your choice, tap on the done button down below and click on the save button again. Then you should select the format, the quality, and save it as a GIF, video, or live photo. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.